with a gap of less than 10 meters right in front of you. Please don't stay ahead.
Shibentaban rakhe ya kajing dap khandai Vietnam ka Indian Air Force ka Eastern Air Command Shillong hak arpo tarik urisau hajar arpulai kalapan inam ya kiling sun ya pom ki baklan bor da ki sipai sun hapung umyam ka balapan yap biet ya ki ba ki bawan pet ka sya kani ka jaka. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kapor Wing Commander ka IAF EAC USP Dharkar Ulayathu bakane kadai kasen ka Baningkong ha ka Jala Meghalaya baki sipai sun ki pen ina mi kiling sun ya pom sya ki ba ka Jala. Ulayathu kiling sun ki bapen inam ki dei ki balatip kum ki Advanced Light and Chinook Helicopter ki Dornier Transport Aircraft Fighter Jets bat ki way. Kani ka jingpen inam ki pilot ya kasap ka phang bakidan kalong ru shibenta ban kharing bat pen shlori ki samla ka Jala ki badan kasap ban rung sya kani ka kam.
Here's breath of separation. Look straight ahead for level cross.
5 days ago, and well, we were worried about weather, and like you saw in the morning, where it was there was fog and then it was clouding, but then cleared up. And I hope that you and the crowd had actually enough thrills for at least for the day, if not for more. Okay? How was that otherwise? A little difficult because the team comes here from way far down south in Sulur. Sulur is close to Coimbatore, And it takes time to get them across, and they do shows all across the country, depending upon what is the kind of event and in various locations. So no, this was part of their calendar, and so we got them here. But we'll now be working out into the calendar for the next year, and let's see. But maybe now that we've done one in Shillong, maybe we'll do it at a second location somewhere else in proximity, possibly. But yes, we of course will do some. You can see the hills around you. There are three challenges actually. One, of course, is the weather, which you saw, and it tends to be temperamental. The name of the state is Meghalaya, so Megh to hote hi hai.
Right.
But alongside with that, the elevation also makes it a little difficult on the performance of these aircraft. So they have to modify their profiles suitably, and then they have to operate in a somewhat tight zone. So that adds to the changes that they have to make to their profiles to make. But you saw them; it didn't look like they had any challenges, did they? They enjoyed it also. Has done fly past earlier also. But yes, over Shillong, possibly the first time. We find that Meghalaya has a lot of youth who are very interested in the services and the Air Force especially. We see them when they come to our museum and the like. And I hope that shows like this will motivate them even further to come across and join. Yes.
But yes, out of these ALH which we flew, it is being made by our Hindustan Aeronautics Limited only. That is the indigenously built. The rest were the new inductions which we just represented in front of you.
Towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat, so Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the aircraft which is flown today were ALH Mark III and the Dornier aircraft. These were two aircraft which are indigenously made. Other than that were Sarangs, of course, they're also ALH Mark III.
No, they are
ALH, yeah, they're Mark I, and then ALH Mark III helicopters. Then we had Dorniers. These all three are indigenously made by the HA. Yeah, the Rafale aircraft were also there in the big formation, and there were three Su-30s which begin there.
As I told you in very starting, that it is towards showing the indigenization and also showing the might of the Indian Air Force.